Now I've got a very important announcement to make. We are planning to have a major meeting like we haven't had for 15 years, like we had in 2010 and 11 at the historic meeting in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. So we're planning to have this really big meeting down in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas again. And right now I'm just kind of mentioning it so that those who are interested in going can start thinking about it, because it will only be in 2 months. That's the only time I have to do it. I'd like to do it later, but other circumstances are pushing me to have it then. So I will next week provide more details, but right now I would like to see if there's any feedback from people. You can contact me through the website r-charge.com or through the comments on here. So what we plan on doing is having a workshop, which we haven't done since 10, 11 years. Chicago was the last place. And that was very successful. I think we had 30 different fans that we converted to be a free energy device, of course. And I think all but 2 were finished that meeting. So what we'd like to do is have one whole day. This would be a 3-day meeting, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, end of February or early March. Somewhere around there, whatever is available, we have to find the right place. It may actually be at 2 places, because the workshop will be a whole day where we're making whatever device you want that we'll make available as in our kits, like the schoolgirl circuit, which we'll talk about in a minute. And I'll go over those details in a minute. But what we were planning to do is to have people make whatever they want that day, and they can test out everything all day long. So that would be one of the days, maybe Saturday. I'm trying to decide the order of everything. So we'll have one day for all the motors and the batteries and all that stuff, learning how to evaluate free energy systems and all the details. Then another day, like we usually do on the radio frequency stuff, Don Smith stuff, with many different demos. So I want to pull everything out of the woodworks here and really go to town. Now there's going to be a very special new model demonstration. Well, actually there'll be several, but there's in the context of this latest kit, the SSG schoolgirl kit that we did, we're going to go over that on a simplistic level, and then we will go into the advanced, the most advanced. And I have some very interesting news that I will be sharing, but I'm going to show you all the details of it at the meeting. And so it'll be kind of the first time all this comes out. And I'll be demonstrating that model, of course. I plan to have inventory on all these things, and looking to do another vehicle. We'll see if that happens, but it shouldn't be too hard to do that. So yeah, it's really exciting, and we just have to work out the logistics, the right place. It's very difficult to do the stuff that we're doing in a meeting when we have a bigger area. Like, we have to go to the more expensive places, and they have such regulations that it is so hard to find a place. Like we can't have carpeting, we can't have all these different things. So we're looking for the right place, and we'll probably cap it at about 300 people. So what we want to do is have those 3 days, and I'm expecting some skeptics to be there. And what we usually do is we go from the basics to the most advanced, so it covers something for everybody, or many things for everybody, so that it's not over everybody's heads, and it's not too basic for those who want to be doing the advanced stuff. So more details will come next week, but definitely Dallas, Fort Worth, right near the airport. That's what we've been doing. We've had quite a few meetings down there over the last few years, and it worked out really good where people could just get off the airplane. The hotels are all around there, cheapest to most expensive. Food, everything's provided. I can't think of anything else, but I'll have more details. I'll put it on the website shortly. But I know for some people, if they're going to be doing international travel, they want to know ahead of time. So I want to always give 2 months notice. So let me know if you definitely want to come. I have to really gauge the response here. There's a guy named Stuart who I've been coaching a little bit, who's trying to do this open source thing with free energy, and he's supposed to be making an announcement about this once I have the website tickets available. So that's all I can say for now, and we'll see you maybe next week and hopefully in 2 months.